Hi, I'm Bill Vining, and it's my job to tell you a little bit about OWL and how it came about. We've been working on OWL for over a decade now, and we're really proud of what we've been able to accomplish and how many students we've been able to help.
OWL began on a cold winter morning in 1996, when Roberta Day and B. Botch at the University of Massachusetts decided they needed a general chemistry homework program that would serve their students by giving randomized examples, extensive feedback, and a philosophy that the students could try it until they would actually learn it. A while later, I joined the team, and I added in stepwise tutors, simulations, and video and animation exercises. A couple years after that, the students said they really wanted organic chemistry OWL, and so Peter Lillia and Steve Hickson joined the team, and they invented organic chemistry OWL, and they featured particularly having students answer like a chemist would answer, in terms of grading actual drawn structures on the screen, using electron pushing arrows to probe mechanisms. In terms of the history of courses, OWL started with general chemistry, was followed fairly soon by organic chemistry, and since then, over the last few years, we've added allied health chemistry, also called the GOB course, introductory chemistry, liberal arts chemistry, and lately OWL Quick Prep, which is a non-credit preparation course students can take before taking general chemistry or organic chemistry.
The principal philosophy behind OWL is that homework is not the same thing as exams or quizzes. Homework's where you actually do the learning, where the students do the learning. And so OWL is based on the philosophy that students learn by doing things, and they shouldn't be penalized for doing something wrong, but they actually need to do things right to get their credit.
OWL supports mastery learning by first offering the student homework question or homework questions to do. The students then answer. Once they answer, they're given the correct answer and feedback about how to solve that problem. If they're correct, the students get their mastery credit and they're done. If they're incorrect, newly generated questions are made. They come back up here and they try again. Those newly generated questions are both chemically as well as numerically parameterized. If students are still having trouble, and that is the feedback and given the correct answer doesn't help them enough, we also give them conceptual simulations and exercises to help them understand the underlying concepts, as well as step-by-step tutorials which lead them through an example step by step.
Over time, we've taken advantage of emerging technologies to expand how OWL interacts with students, the kinds of things students can do using the system.
OWL has a number of different assignment types, including chemically and numerically randomized questions that generate extensive feedback on how to solve that question when the student gets it right or wrong, molecular scale interactions, feedback that use JMOL structures students can manipulate, step-by-step tutorials which ask a question, give a problem map and an approach to the problem. When the students get the answer wrong, it then opens up a tutorial window which leads them through step-by-step how to do the problem, giving them successively better and better hints about how to do each particular step of the problem. Guided inquiry simulations, which allow students to manipulate chemical systems and observe the results, along with guided inquiry questions that lead them through the simulation. Media-based exercises connecting the molecular scale to bulk scale properties of compounds and molecules. Questions that require students to draw structures as part of entering their answer. And questions that use curved arrow notation for depicting reaction mechanisms.
OWL's used now by about 100,000 students in about 300 schools. We're really pleased at the way it's been able to help our students, and we're pleased that other faculty feel the same way for their students. Whether you're new to OWL or you've been using it for a while, we just want to say we really appreciate the time you take and the effort you put into helping your students as well. We really do appreciate it. Thanks.